morning, kindergarten. Today's math lesson is going to be super speedy quick, okay? But you are going to need two different things. You're going to need your whiteboard and you're going to need your counters that are in your red bag from me. Your whiteboard is not going to look like this. Your whiteboard is white on one side and red on the other side, okay? If you don't have that whiteboard, you can also use the one that looks like this if you need to. I wrote the on mine, but yours is blank. Okay, let's get started. What do you see on my screen? I'm gonna have to move this bubble so you can see what's right underneath me. You can go ahead and say it out loud. What do you see on the screen? What do you see? I see 1, 2, 3, 4 pens. On your whiteboard, you can pause this video and draw 4 pens. I wonder, are there other ways that I can put these 4 pens to make it easier to count them? Because I had to count all over the screen to see how many there were. I'm going to go ahead and put them in a straight line. Now let's count them again and see. 1, 2, 3, 4. I still have 4 pens. If you want to erase your whiteboard and draw these 4 pens, you can pause my video. Let's see what else we have. Is there another way we could organize these pens? I want you to erase your board and try and find a different way that you could put 4 pens. I'm going to put mine in an array. That means like this. I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4 pens in a shape like this. For me, I think that's easiest to count. Which way was easiest for you to count? Okay. Now you're going to need your counters. On my screen, I'm going to show you some counters, and you're going to count them. How many counters do you see? I need to move myself again. How many counters do you see on the screen? Go ahead and count them. That's right, I counted 4 also. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you put 4 counters in front of yourself? Move around your counters and see how else you could put them to make them easier to count. I want to put them in a line, kind of like an inchworm. Yeah, like this. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure your counters are like this, right in front of you. So how many counters do I have? That's right, I have 4. Okay, let's see. On your whiteboard, I want you to draw 4 counters that are touching just like this. So it looks kind of like an inchworm. Pretty cool. Now that's all you need for today's lesson. Okay, on my screen you see problem set 8. Problem set 8 is on my page 18. Lesson 8 shows all sorts of different objects. What you have to do is count the number of objects and then circle the number that tells you how many there are. So let's try the first 3 together. I count 1, 2, 3 ducks. So I'm going to circle the number 3. Did you get the same number? Now I'm going to move to the moon. I have 1 moon, so I'm going to go ahead and circle that 1. That one was pretty easy. Okay, now we're at the leaves. There are a lot of leaves. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 leaves. Do you see the number 5? I do, so I'm going to circle number 5. You're going to do the rest of these and make sure you bring them to our math lesson today. Great job, kindergarten, on this very short, fun lesson. See you later.